Welcome, everyone. So let's start. I'm going to start with a quick question. How many of your organizations have tried to upskill developers or other roles in security? Raise your hands. Or how many of you have tried to upskill in security but don't know how or don't know where to start? Raise your hands. Good. Well, you're in the right place, or if you're just a curious person happen to land here, you're also in the right place. Today, I'm going to be introducing the newly launched Security Champion Learning Plan in AWS Skill Builder. As many of you know, security is a must, and it should be everybody's responsibility. This is a 200-level talk where I'm going to be talking about how you can equip yourself and your workforce through security training. My name is Alejandra Lopez. I'm a senior go-to-market manager at AWS. I've been working at AWS for the past 5 years, and I'm very excited to be here today. Let's go over the agenda. Here is what we will cover today. We will take a look at the business impact and the skills gap, the cloud security skills gap. This will help us understand why it's important and why are we doing this learning plan at AWS to help you address the business impact and the skill challenge. Then we will dive deep into the learning path, what it includes, some of the courses that it includes, and lastly, how you can take immediate action. So let's dive in. Did you know that most breaches are due to human error, and they cost on average $4.45 million? According to a psychology report, 9 in 10 data breaches are due to employees' mistakes. And these are based due to poor security awareness, weak leadership commitment, or inadequate training. As you know, these breaches, they impact health industry, finance industry, but not only these industries are impacted by it. Technology companies are also very impacted. This shows how many organizations don't fail on technology, but also on culture. Data breaches cost real money, as you can see here. And it's not just like how these industries are wrongly impacted by it, but how the organizations can do better. This is one of the reasons that it's very important to ensure our workforce is ready for everybody champion security. There is disparity between perceived security preparedness and readiness in organizations. According to DROP, organizations are facing a critical challenge in cloud security, marked by a dramatic 56% increase in cloud security gaps since 2021, and also leaving 4.15 million security positions unfulfilled. How many of you have encountered challenges trying to fill security roles? Raise your hands. Okay, I see some hands raised. Well, let me tell you, you are not alone. This quote that you see here sums up what a lot of our customers are telling us. They want to have a security training program. There is an interest there to upskill their workforce, but they just don't know where to start. And also, a lot of times, the capacity and also curriculum design are most of the times major blockers. Security is more than tools. It's a mindset and should be everybody's responsibility across the organization. Now imagine if you could equip your team to advocate for security and to become security champions without having to pull security engineers away from projects, or even better, without having to start a curriculum from scratch. Training a team on security champions is a more cost-effective approach than relying solely on a small security team to train security and educate security across the entire organization. Now let's go over the definition of who is a security champion. These individuals are professionals trained in technical skills and also in leadership capabilities. They serve as advocates in companies, advocating for the technical skills and also executive leadership. They bring these teams together. These are, in today's distributed and fast-paced cloud environments, having dedicated security champions across different teams is no longer optional, but it's also essential. for maintaining a robust posture in cloud security. This distributed ownership comes with a lot of benefits. For instance, faster development cycles, as teams can address security concerns proactively. Also, reduce incidents because they can detect them earlier, and improve collaboration between security and development teams. Most important, it creates a security-first culture where every team across the organization, they understand the importance of protecting the organization's assets and data. At AWS, we have created a new learning path called AWS Security Champion Learning Knowledge Path. This is on a Skill Builder. That's our official online center. And it's an 18-course path curriculum that takes approximately 25 hours to complete. This is a structured curriculum, it's self-paced, and it combines technical and leadership training to meet teams where you are. Who is this for? This plan is built for executives, cloud practitioners, development teams, cloud security professionals, because security, as you know, is a team sport. What is included in this learning plan? Well, as I said earlier, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. You don't need to start from scratch. This plan includes curated content from AWS security foundational courses to more advanced courses such as security automation, container security, and it also allows learners for a hands-on experience. We have SimuLearn. I don't know if you have already tried some SimuLearn in those computers behind here, but SimuLearn is a course that is powered by generative AI, providing learners real-world case scenarios. In this case, the learner will be able to experiment with a real-world case scenario, propose a solution, and even build it on AWS console. This is a great opportunity for learners to get hands-on and practice their skills learned. Upon completing this program, there is an assessment that takes approximately 1.5 hours to complete. Learners will have to pass with a score of 18% or better, and then they will obtain the newly launched Security Champion Digital Badge. This is a great way to verify their expertise and also for companies to show that they are committed to security excellence. This badge is not just a sticker. This also is a proof of knowledge in AWS cloud security best practices. So now this is a recap. What can you do? You can drive security practices across the organization. Continue equipping your workforce with the right tools and learning paths as the one that I just went over. This is a great opportunity for you to equip builders to become security champions. And as according to Gartner report, champions, once they feel value, once they feel supported and connected, they stay engaged. And that's what builds a long-lasting culture of security. And how you can do that? You can also create monthly touch points where security champions can come together, share their experiences, or even internal group chats where they can share their success stories, lessons learned, tips. That's a great way to keep them connected and engaged. This is how you can take immediate action by scanning this QR code that you see here. You can just bookmark it, or you can go to AWS Skill Builder and also enroll in the Security Knowledge Learning Path. It provides flexible options in terms of pricing. For individual learners, it's $29 per month, and for team subscriptions, is $449 per year, with volume pricing available. Once learners enroll in and subscribe to Skill Builder, they don't only get access to this plan, but they get access to a lot of learning plans. They have access to more than 600 on-demand courses, digital classes. Also, they get access to AWS certification official practice exam and gamified experience, and more than 200 labs. Here you can see the code, the QR code for a skill builder, and the next one is for the different AWS certifications that we offer. This is it for today. Thank you so much for your time. If you have any questions or you need more details on how to subscribe, please let me know. I'll be here answering any questions. Thank you.